In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an archive in Microsoft Outlook to help you efficiently manage your emails. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process that will make organizing your inbox a little bit easier. The first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once you've got that open, head over to the File tab, which you'll usually find nestled in the upper left part of your screen. Now, this tab is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes settings that Outlook offers, which is a lot. But today, we're specifically interested in tailoring our archiving settings, so let's stay focused. Once you've clicked on File, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Click that, and in the drop-down menu, select Account Settings once again. This will open up a window with several tabs, but for our purposes, you want to navigate to the Data Files tab. This section is dedicated to managing all your Outlook data files, and in here, we'll create a new one. Right there in the Data Files tab, you should see an option to add a new data file. Click on that. A new window will pop up asking you to enter a name for the new data file you're about to create. You can name it anything you like, but for clarity and ease of use, let's go with Archive for now. Once you've typed in the new name, click OK to create the file. Now that you've set up a new data file, the next step is to configure your auto archive settings. This is where the magic happens and emails start to move themselves, leaving you more organized with less effort. To do this, switch over to the Home tab. Scroll around a bit until you find the auto archive settings option. It might take a second to locate, especially if you're not used to these settings, but it's in there. Click on Auto Archive Settings, and then a window will appear showing you several options for how and when your emails should automatically be moved to your new archive. You'll need to select your freshly minted archive file as the default location for these moves. This ensures that every time the Auto Archive feature performs its duties, it goes to the right place. Make your selection, confirm everything is set to your liking, and then save your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an archive in Outlook, optimizing your inbox management system. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing.